What's up, family, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'll be doing an update on StrongBlock, which is the analysis that we did several days ago, and a lot of things played out well with StrongBlock, and I'm really excited to share with you guys. If you like these types of analysis, please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments below your feedback. We're almost at 100 subs, guys, and this is very exciting, and I really appreciate everyone's support. And I have some exciting news once we reach 100 subs, which I'm in the process of updating everything, and also so I'm able to record the screen and also my face, and talk to you guys better, and just bring in more trust within this community that I'm trying to build. So if that's something that you like, guys, please also check out my recent video. I did a update, and I've also talking about a new project called The Neighbors, and I did a full analysis of it, and I believe it's going to be a great project that's going to be launching on March 22nd. So if you like it, just go ahead and go check it out, and it would be really appreciated. All right, guys, and let's talk about StrongBlock. So currently, we're at 407K. So we've increased in the last week or so. We've increased about 5,000 nodes. So a lot of people are taking advantage of this, and as we can see, it's something well because also we just saw that a node was created right now. So this is interesting. Okay. All right, let's take a look at the analysis. So with everything here, I've had the lines and the charts and everything that I did with the charts aligned from last time. So you can also check out the previous videos to see if everything is true here. But I've left everything out so we're able to come back and analyze it from the start, okay? So this is the 5 minutes, all right? We're gonna be talking about the 5 minutes first. So let me zoom out. So we've had here the lines, which are charted, which was in the uptrend. So as we can see, we were in this zone. We were going up, down, and we were touching the zone and then bouncing back, okay? If you can take a look here from the RSI, each time we were bouncing off, we were already oversold. So we were in the zone for quite some time since this is the 5 minute. And then let me zoom in as well. I've created another chart here, which I've spoken about last video, which we're in the zone as well, which was an uptrend. But as you can see, we've always bounced back from this support, okay? This support was created in the 5 minutes versus the short term, and we've bounced back from it. And then I've also stated that there's two things that can happen. It will go out of the zone and then bounce back and then continue going up, or we can see a momentum drop, which the price would continue to go down and then maybe touch that support again and then go there for a little bit and then go back and then bounce out. And there's also one scenario that could have happened, which breaking the zone, which I'm glad it didn't happen, and retest that zone and then drop even more. So this is something that didn't happen in the 5 minutes, which I'm glad for, okay? And if that would have happened, we could have seen retracements back to the 106 level, since other supports are not really being created here, or maybe around the 122. So this is nice, okay? Short term, we're still looking bullish. Let me zoom out here. So if we could take a look, what happened is we went out the zone, and then which I created here, which is the uptrend, and then we've bounced back from that uptrend, okay? There was two things that could have happened here. We could have bounced back from this zone right here and then continue going up, but unfortunately that didn't happen, and we dropped. But as you can see, look where we dropped at, okay? We dropped at the lines that we've created here for the support. So let me zoom in. As you can see here, we've created a lot of momentum, and so what I'd like to take a look at as well is the pattern that I've spoken about. So it happened here several times, okay? Which is the double bottom, which is something that I like to take a look at in a lot of crypto projects and in stock market. And it just signals to the investors that this is a good support, and price doesn't want to drop from it, and price want to continue to go up. And as we can see, look at this, okay? We bounced from the support several times. We went up and then traded for a little bit here, and then we bounced back from the zone, creating a double bottom. And look at this, it's a straight line, okay? It didn't wick down any further, it just continued going up. And look at this again, it happened again, oops, it happened again in this support here. We created another support, which we went up, and then traded in that zone. And as you can see, we created a resistance here. We were trading in the zone for a little bit. We went up, down in that zone, and then we wicked up several times. So we wicked up here at the 166, which we couldn't break, unfortunately. And then we dropped again. We touched it again here at 166, and then we dropped. So what happens when it drops? We know that we're in the zone here. So when it dropped, it touched back to the recent support. Okay, if that support would have been created and actually gotten broken, then one thing that could have happened is we would have went down, touched that support again, and then went back down to the 139 level, okay, which is a really strong level here for a support. So if price, let me zoom out. As we can see, it happened again here. We've created another support. We've had a lot of bullish momentum here, and then it went back down to the support that we've created here, which is where a lot of investors came in, okay? And it was the zone as well. If you could take a look at this, it was a zone that I've drawn out before here, which came back down and wigged back down here, okay? So this was in the range of market for a little bit. We've touched here a previous high of 166, but take a look at this selling pressure and where it touched, okay? It touched that zone here again, okay, 156, and it wigged down. Look at where it wigged down. Okay, this is really interesting, and it's something that I hope this you're getting a lot of value from. But it wigged down to that support that we have. Okay, it's about the support that we have. It's not always gonna touch the support that we draw out, so just keep that in the back of your mind. But it's always gonna be there. Okay, it's always gonna be hovering around that support. So where it wigged down, that selling pressure wasn't continuing, okay? A lot of bullish momentum happened and the price reversed, okay? So we were actually down here where it went down to about 151 to the support, and then we wicked back up, okay? So this is important, and as you can see as well, like I've spoken about the RSI, we were oversold here on March 17th, which we decided to go back up, okay? And as you could take a look as well, what happened is we see green candles, okay? But it actually went down, which was a bearish momentum. But since it reversed, it calculated as a bullish. Okay, so let's dive down here and talk about what happened in the 5 minutes. I like to talk about 5 minutes because there's a lot of movements that happened. And if I take a look at the 1 hour, 4 hours, yes, there's a lot of movements that happen as well. But 5 minutes just gives you a better entry and a better overall of the market, what's happening, okay? So as we could take a look here, we wicked down. We were at a downtrend here. We had a downtrend, which you could take a look at, and we were in the range of market for a little bit. Since this is a 5 minutes, it's not really a long time. Okay, it's not really a long time, but it's still, we were in the range of market. So we were going up and down here as well. As you can see, it's always touching that zone, and it's not really wicking out. And then look what happened once it broke out that, okay? We had very high bullish momentum. And so what I usually like to see when there's bullish momentum that happen is that I want the price to come back and touch my zone, okay? I want it to come back and touch the zone here, which I've drawn out. I want it to go up and then hopefully come back and retest that zone and goes out. But that didn't happen. But take a look at this, okay? We have here a little bit of support, which was where it broke out. And instead of it touching here, you could also get in at the zone that it broke and retested down, okay? Just keep that in the back of your mind. And so yeah, guys, so far we've had a range of market in StrongBlock. So it's been ranging for quite some time now. And we hopefully want to see more potential in it and more buying opportunities. And with the strong chain and everything coming out, hopefully the price can continue to rally up. But yeah, as you can see, it's been in the range of market for quite some time. It's ranging around the, let's see here, 160 through the 154, and we broke it several times. But as you can see, it always seems to come back at the zone of 160. So as of right now, actually, as of March 18th, we're currently kind of on the on an uptrend. As we can see here, it wigged down again and it touches this zone. So what I would like to see is price to go back up to hopefully these highs of 168 and then continue to go up. But there was a what's it called? There was an uptrend here at a time, and then we had not double bottom, but we've had a retest here several times, and as we can see, we've always ranged in that market. So I want to see bullish momentum here, and hopefully we don't go back to the levels of 157 or even below. But keep in mind, we're also oversold right now, so we could see some retracements here, okay? And yeah, guys, that makes up for the strong block analysis. I hope you found value, and if you do like these types of analysis, please, any feedback helps out the channel and helps me as a person as well to create more content for the channel. And if you like these types of videos, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next update. Take care and stay blessed.